Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2009 Pete 20-foot flatbed here to show you today. Got it out of California, super clean, just lived there this whole life. Got a C15 cat, 1850 torque, 18 speed, only 373 on the clock. I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, show you what all we've got. Really nice truck, glad to show it to you. Blow by is fantastic on it. Really the only blemish is on the top part of the hood where the old name was. We got off of the landscape company and hauled a little piggyback forklift with it. See, the frame rails are immaculate. True California condition. Air track suspension, good rubber. So you can see the piggyback forklift option on the back, air brakes, spindle hitch. Nice looking bed on the back. Interior is extremely clean. Floor is nice and clean. Dash is intact. See the miles and the hours are fantastic, especially for a vocational truck like this. Really, really good. See the temp's not quite up to operating temperature, but it's in really good shape. At 40 on the low side, even at this temperature. It'll drop a little bit, but you can see that super responsive. And then your RPMs get up there, push your oil pressure up there as well. So good oil pressure, sounds good, looks good. If you got questions on this one or anything else that we've got, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.